Hi, my name is Nusrat Ali and I'm level 8 Google Guide from Pakistan. A few years back, I received a message from Google to share the photos and my experience about the place I visited. I thought it's a great help if I submit my honest review and upload some of the photos for the help of others. Uh, I thought I should help others as others' efforts have provided me a great help. Uh, Indeed, it's my practice to consult Google Map, see photos, and read reviews of other people before I step into some place. Actually, it is the preparatory knowledge which enhances my experience and proves a great benefit for me. In return, I take the photos of the places and write detailed reviews about them. I think in this way, I am extending a service in the form of guidance to others. In this case, I am very much like the Google. Proud to be a Googler thanks to Google.